as engineers, we understand the need to be able to track history. Just because you don't make a board anymore doesn't mean that you don't have a customer that doesn't have a question about it, or there isn't a new market that you can get into based on something you used to do. Um, Parts go out of stock. I work for an unnamed company that discontinued an entire semiconductor line without telling anyone. It's like today they're like, "Oops, oops, all shortages." I'm sure everyone remembers some of the part shortages of the past 2 decades. It's just total shocks to the system. So there's a lot of different reasons to have your change history, especially if the system recovers and all of a sudden you can go to cheaper components. You're like, well, what did we used to do? So if you're not tracking all of your individual changes, you're going to lose out on that opportunity. Also, there's some industries like aerospace and medical industries that they're required. There's a compliance requirement to track your history and keep it somewhere. So what a lot of our users do is they'll take their design reviews and their issues, and they'll just run a little script and then run an action and then export it to a PDF or export it to a zip file. And nobody opens it because it's compliance, but they freed up some time from having to create the compliance report. Now, here's the most important part of that: is if they make a change, because it's automated, they only have to do that small little work and change. That compliance report, bam, automatically generated.